On this video, we will demonstrate on how to get the mass properties of a given part in SolidWorks. So for example, you have this two-dimensional drawing. So the first step is to do extrusion or extrude the part or the region you want to get the mass properties. So but first we need to assign a material. So how to assign a material on a given part? So here on your left side, on the pictures design manager 3, under these properties you can do the right edit material, select edit material, and these are the different types of material that you can select. So for example, on the problem you're asked to find a steel which is AIS I-1020 with a given mass density of 7,900 kilogram per cubic meter. So if you convert it in grams, you can just divide it into 1,000 and you will get the mass density of a given material applied. So we'll apply this one. So select apply here, then close. Now let's extrude this part. So for example, you can go to features, extrude. So you have one message here to select an existing sketch to use for the feature or a plane. So we'll use the second one, which is an existing sketch. So from where we will get this existing sketch? So from this arrow, you can just pull it down, and then this starter. So select this starter. So this is sketch. So as you can see, it is automatically fall on selected contours. So let's select our contours that we need to extrude. So for example, this one, the inside part, and this one. Okay, so both of this region. Okay, both of the region 1 and region 2. So for example, I want to extrude it into a 20 millimeter. So this is the height that I want to extrude. So you agree, then select this green check mark to close the dialog box. So one part of the object is extruded. Now, if I want to extrude some part of the drawing, so for example, this circle, and again go to extrude. So pull this arrow down, then starter. So this is my base drawing, okay? The starter. Now, if I will select inside, select a contour, I'll select inside the part. So as you can see, only the circle is selected. So if I want to extrude it into a 55 millimeters thickness, select this green check mark. And that's it. But we need some portion here that needs a cut, extruded cut. But you can do it directly by selecting the correct region. So extrude, boss or base, again here, starter, select the region, okay, select the region. So inside the circle. So as you can see here, the rectangular shape inside is already hollowed. So it is extruded all throughout. So 55 millimeters, select this green check mark, and that's it. So this is my final drawing. So on this drawing, on this part, it is already having a material of AIS I-1020. So if I want to get the mass properties of this, I can go to evaluate, mass properties, and that's it. So the mass per given part is 1,600.705. If they will ask you to get the mass properties in 2 decimal places, you can select this in options, use custom settings, set this to 2 decimal places, and select OK. So it will become 1,600.71. So again, remember, sometimes on the exam, especially in CSWA, the exact answer should be given. So if they will ask 2 decimal places, so the answer should be 2 decimal places. So there is no other answer aside from this one. So if you set this to 3 or 4 decimal places, then the system will consider your answer to be wrong. Okay. So the correct answer is 1,600.71 grams for the mass. So that's it for this first example in getting a mass properties of a certain part.